Today we're going to make microwave popcorn. One of the most simplest things you can make in a microwave. In fact, I believe it was one of the first foods that was ever cooked in a microwave oven way back in 1946 or 47 or something like that, by the guy Percy Spencer, who actually invented the microwave oven. So listen up, peeps. So I'm going to get a microwave dish like this one. It needs to have a lid. So hold on, a lid that fits there. Right, nice lid, nice and snug. This packet of popcorn. This one's from Island Sun brand. Bit of free advertising for them there. But this is what a popcorn kernel looks like. Can you see that? It's just a tiny little yellow thing. Let me focus that for you. It's got a macro. Yeah, how about that? Yeah, that's a popcorn kernel. You need a bit of oil. Not too much oil now. Put in a little layer of oil in the bottom of the pan there. See, there's not that much, right? It's just a thin layer of oil. You don't want to over-oil it. You don't want to under-oil it either. You want to put enough oil in. Let's call it like a millimeter depth of oil. Or even less. Maybe half a millimeter's depth of oil, right? So we've got the oil in the pan. Next, you want a layer. Single layer of popcorn in the dish. Cover it. Yeah, there might be a few little spaces in there, but that's fine. Put that down. Alright, this is what we ended up with. One layer, you can see all the way through there. The glass dish is the beauty of it. So, next, you put the lid on. Take the microwave dish and put it in the microwave oven. Crank it up, give it 6 minutes to start with. Give it 7, alright? But this is one of those microwave meals where you put the stuff in. You can't just leave it and go away and come back and expect everything to be all good. Right? You don't do that. You shouldn't do that with any kind of cooking anyway. So the next stage is to just press the start button. Bam. And you just wait. Wait, man. Wait. Look it up. Yeah, here we go. So look, this is only after, what? 1.5 minutes. Pretty good. It's just normal popcorn. I haven't gone out and bought microwave popcorn. This is normal stuff. So yeah, so far what have we done? 3 minutes? Just over 3 minutes. Full power, by the way. And you don't need to shake it. You don't need to worry about shaking and all that business. Just leave it. The microwaves do all the shaking. That's how their microwave oven works. They just shake the molecules of water. They bombard the molecules of water inside the food and shake them up until they get hot. So here we go, I'm going to take it out now so it doesn't burn up. Stop it. So what was that? 2 minutes left, 2.5 minutes left. I did have it in there for what was it, 7 minutes, got 2.5 minutes left. That's what, 4.5 minutes. It's going to be hot. So put on something safe. I got my oven glove here. Where's your oven? You have a glove gone? Check. I'll wash that. Nah, I need to have a glove. Look. about my stuff. Oh, here it is. Down there. Yeah, I got a pair of these. Yeah. Silicone. White, clean oven gloves. So there you go. You take it out. As you can see, there's a few unpopped popcorns in there, but not that many. Got quite a good pop rate. You always get a few unpopped ones in popcorn. Add a little bit of salt in there, maybe. Yeah, no. Yeah, good crunchy stuff. So you can see it's proper stuff, isn't it? Nice popcorn, that. Look. Yeah. Brown sugar. Demerara. Always useless. Can't really deal with white sugar. You know why? Because you have to wonder, how do they make it white? Hey, how do they make white sugar white? You know, anyone know? I'm gonna look it up on Wikipedia. Must be doing something to it. But anyway, give it a mix. Oh yeah, nothing like fresh, warm popcorn. Anyway, that's all from me for now. I think you can agree. Popcorn in the microwave. It's the way to go.